Hello everyone. Welcome back to Money Conversations with Magical. Today I'd like us to explore the world of investing in real estate. Whether you are a seasoned investor or starting out, real estate can be a great way to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. So, what is investing in real estate? This involves um, either buying, owning, or managing properties for rental income or to sell at a profit. So, real estate then is a tangible asset that can provide you with a steady stream of income and significant returns. And so, what are the benefits of investing in real estate? Real estate has a lot of advantages because from the rental income, you can create a stream of steady income from the income you're getting from the rental. And this gives you a very good kind of passive income. It's income that you don't have to really work for every month. Then in terms of appreciation, you also are able to make a good return. If you buy a property and sell it at a higher price than you bought it, so that gives you a good also kind of good income. The other advantage you get from real estate is that it gives you an opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio. It's a good way to diversify your investments. The other thing you can look at is the leverage, that you can use your property to get financing. So you can use the property as a collateral to get a financing that you can use to do other businesses. And also real estate comes with tax benefit that you can benefit from. So apart from having the advantages, real estate also comes with challenges. So what are the negatives of investing in real estate? The first thing is that real estate is quite illiquid. Illiquid in the sense that at times when you want to offload or sell that property, it's not very easy to get a buyer. So you could get stuck up with that property and maybe you have an emergency. So that becomes a negative. The other thing is that it has high startup cost. Most of the properties are quite expensive, and so you need to put in a lot of money to get into a meaningful real estate business. The other challenge is that real estate it comes with a lot of maintenance and repairs. You have to keep maintaining and repairing your property over time, and that is quite costly. Real estate is also challenging because you have to deal with managing the tenants. It's quite stressful. It can be quite stressful, and especially if you're doing it on your own, can be really draining dealing with tenants every day. The other thing is that also real estate comes with market risks due to the unpredictability nature. So there is a lot of fluctuations as well. So if you are interested in getting into the real estate, how then do you get started? How do you go about it? The first thing is that you need to educate yourself. Yeah. Learn about real estate. Learn about the financing. Learn about the market. How does it work? Learn about the investment strategies. What strategies will you employ to make any meaningful returns from the real estate. So after doing your educating yourself and you've understood all these things, you need to set very clear goals. Understand the objectives. What is your objective of getting into the real estate business? Remember, in the previous videos, we discussed that you need to understand the objective of why you're investing, because different goals can only be achieved by different investment strategies. The other thing you need to do is that you need to build a team. If you want to get into serious real estate business, you must build a team. You cannot do it on your own. You need to consider working with real estate agents. You need to consider having an attorney or an advocate. You need to consider getting a property manager. Otherwise, it's very strenuous to run a meaningful and serious real estate business on your own. The other thing then you need to do is start small. You can start with a single property or investment. Just start with a single, learn by it, get to understand exactly what happens, and then you're able then to progress and grow your real estate business. So, in conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, real estate can be a great way to grow your wealth and achieve your financial freedom. While there are risks and challenges that come within investing in real estate, the potential rewards are quite significant. They're quite good. So remember, you need to educate yourself, you need to set very clear goals, and you need to start small. So I believe that with patience and persistence and with the right strategies, you can succeed in the real estate business. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for listening in into this video. I welcome you to subscribe and give feedback on any other areas that you'd like us to discuss. Thank you and bye-bye.